Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2.3, connecting the dots, written by Steve Jobs. Means it's a speech given by Steve Jobs in front of the graduation students of Stanford University in 2005. Means he talks about his college experience. Okay, college experience here, and also he gives means his love and loss, and okay, means it is his second story, and third story is about his death experience. Okay, about his death experience. First story is related to his life, means college experience. Second is his love and loss, and third is his death experience. Like this way, here he gave the three stories. Okay, now see first. Today I want to tell you three stories from my life. Means he says that here today Steve Jobs is going to tell you three stories of his life. That's it. Just three stories. That's it only. I am going to tell three stories here. The first story is about connecting the dots, and first story is real means it's a connecting the dots, means to associate the ideas. Associate the ideas, previous one to current one, and create a new thing. Create a new one, new idea. Okay, means connecting the dots. I drop out of Reed College after the first 6 months, but then stay around as a drop in for another 18 months before I really quit. Means he said that I dropped out of means discontinue, means he left Reed College. He left the Reed College. Name of his college is Reed College, which is in America. After the first 6 months, means only he joined he is going to this college 6 months, and after the 6 months he discontinued. He left the college. Okay, but then stay around as a drop in for another 18 months before I really quit. And I stay around as a drop in. Drop in means as a visitor. Okay, means he is visit to only this next 18 months he visit only this college before I really quit. Means he really means he left the college. Okay, after the 6 months, but he drop in means as a visitor he went to college to next 18 months, and means he did not really quit the college. Okay, looking back, it was one of the best decision I ever made. And when he's looking back, that time he said that means whatever his previous experience, he said that it was one of the best decision I ever made. Means he said that I made this best decision of my life. It is a best decision of my life. I could not taking the required classes that did not interest me, and I could not stop taking the required classes. Okay, that did not interest me. Means he did not have the interest to the regular classes of college. Okay, and began dropping on the ones that looking interesting. And he says that I'm interesting means whatever he had the interest, he see the another which he had the interest, another things which he had the interest, which is looking interesting. I didn't have a dorm room. This is telling his experience of Leipzig. He didn't have a dorm room. Dorm room means dormitory. Dormitory means where there is only means room where there is no many beds. Okay, no many beds means dormitory. Means there is only room containing a number of bed. Okay, means there that he did not have a dorm room, means that room did not have a number of bed. Okay, so I slept on the floor in friend's room, and that's why he slept on the floor in his friend's room. I returned Coke bottles for the 5-cent deposit to buy food with. For to buy the food. How to buy the food? What he had done? He had sent. Means he had return the Coke bottles of 5 cents. Cent is a coin of America, means 5 cent, dollars 100th part. Okay, dollars 100th part means like rupees. Okay, to buy means he, for the food he returned the Coke bottle 5 cent deposit. Okay, and I would walk 7 miles across town every Sunday night to get one good meal a week at the Hare Krishna temple. And for every Sunday there was means at the Hare Krishna temple, which is in New York, there means he walked there 7 miles for every Sunday, because there means he can get there one good meal a week. Okay, one good meal a week, and for that he would walk 7 miles. Okay, and because Hare Krishna temple, it is in New York, means it is a Hindu temple. I loved it and he loved that meal. And much of what I stumbled into by following my curiosity and intuition turned out to be priceless later on. And much of what I stumble means stumble into, means to start doing something by chance, not by intention. Means luckily we can say by chance. Okay, means start doing something by chance but not by intention. Stumble into, by following means he start doing something by chance, not by the intention. And intuition means the power of understanding situations or people's feeling beforehand. Power of understanding. Okay, power of understanding means whatever he start, means it start by chance and power of understanding. He start with his power of understanding and by chance, not by intention. Turn it to be a priceless later on. Here's one example. Means here he gave the one example of his. Means see, Reed College offer perhaps the best calligraphy instruction in the country, because I had to take calligraphy class. And Reed College offer means instead of college there was a calligraphy classes, and it's the best calligraphy classes in the country. Means from, if you compare the other college, he said that Reed College gave the best calligraphy classes. Calligraphy means the art of practice of good handwriting. Okay, writing letters and word in decorative style. Okay, means in short, good handwriting in using different techniques. Okay, or different decorative styles. Means that Reed College offer the that calligraphy classes, and that's why he want to take that calligraphy classes. And I learn about serif and sans serif typefaces, and he learned there serif and sans serif typefaces. Serif and sans serif means serif and sans serif means that serif is a small line attached to the end of a stroke in a letter. Okay, it is a small line attached to stroke in a letter, means or symbol. We can use symbol, strokes. Understood? And that sans serif, it is a sans means without serif, without stroke or without symbol, without stroke or without symbol. Okay, and typefaces means with serif is called serif. Means typeface means with serif, with the help of or we can say that typeface means a particular design of type, particular design.